Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is a Monday, May 6th, 2024. Well, it's getting kind of late. It's at 11:37 p.m. And first of all, it's Sunday after the future open, and as we can see that it opened much higher, and later it come back down to touch kind of I would say nearby the closing, probably probably above there. I'm not going to get into too much detail to there, but came back down, and later kind of here you can see it's kind of a double bottom, and from there is kind of slowly climbing back up, and if we look at this slope, that's beautiful, right? It's of course it's looking back, uh, it's so obvious. So, but I think the thing is uh, as I updated, I said it seems like it's kind of targeting this 51, 57, and 51.76, and I frankly don't. Uh, I mean, I sort of kind of thought about it, but I think still it's amazing it make it this much run, and today it actually close to the high, and actually it's above 51.76. So that's a very, very strong close, and it's Monday. So the market move about like 40 points, and I I'm just thinking about what this is going to entail, what's forthcoming. And the thing is, the last week total market move 128 points, and the week before is like it moved like 145 points, and then going further back is like 214 points. Now, if we look at this week, and in my opinion, I would say it's reasonable to expect that it could move probably about the same as last week. What that means is about 120 points. Now today's low is 51.42. If we say they're going to move like 120 points, that means right around the all-time high, 52.64. So that means from here is moving about 122 points, which is I would say that's completely possible. Now, with it so close to the all-time high, and how the market participants to do, and I would say all the experienced trader, I, I I don't think they are going to try to call the top here, and of course lots of market participants may try to kind of time the market, say, okay, yeah, this going to be the top, and going to buy here and put a stop here and things like that. And I feel like it's going to be a pretty crowded trade. Uh, and once it breached the all-time high, I don't know how much that you need to push above there so that it will trigger the like a stop loss orders, and so it could literally could go a lot higher if we break all-time high there. So it's interesting to think about that balancing process. And if I'm looking at this chart and going back, I did draw out something here is earlier on last leg up here, and likely it's probably next level is looking at is 51.97 between deal and 52.08. So tomorrow it could possibly run another 30 points or 40 points. That's completely possible. So we shall see whether it's going to tomorrow, whether it's going to settle around this 5200 level. Yeah, that's my take on it. I think that to me is as of right now is close very strong, and in my opinion is unless it come back below like 5160, actually to be exact I would say it's a 5161. Unless it came back down below that level, and market I would say it's it should be okay just to staying long for now. So yeah, just a reminder, whatever I talk here is just a sharing, it's not an investment advice whatsoever. So and yeah, let's a quick look at the calendar here. The calendar for Tuesday, Tuesday, the first one is, well, it seems Australia Fed also making some like an interest rate decision. So in terms of US, first one is like at 855 red book year over year. And then 10 o'clock have economic optimism index, and then have a New York Fed Treasury purchase that's at 10:30, and there's a speech from Fed Kashkari, and then also 11:30 also have a 42 days bill auction, and 1 o'clock have a 3-year note auctions, and 3 o'clock have consumer credit change. And yeah, that's about it. It could be, I mean, these are things kind of spread across throughout the day. But well, it could be market moving or not, but I guess it's more about the timing, knowing it kind of spread across the day. Yeah, that's the calendar. Okay, that's all I would like to share. And I think the market is doing the things that it always kind of working against the market participants. And I oftentimes I feel kind of like interesting to see that kind of things unfold. Uh, anyway, I feel kind of fun. So with that said, wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.